Hi all, welcome back to Techgoku. In today's video, I will show you how to customize the buttons on your Logitech MX Master 4 using the Logi Options Plus app. First, let's download or update to the latest version of Options Plus. Once done, open Options Plus application on your Windows PC or Mac. Once open, select the MX Master 4 and click on Buttons. So here we have the buttons available for the customization. For an example, we have this middle button. Click on that. You will see the recommended actions. So we can customize this for show and hide desktop, or we can choose show accents ring. Now shift wheel mode also you can change it. The horizontal scroll can be, you can choose zoom in and out, or can be volume up and down. And here we have the copy button, we can change it to undo or something. And this paste button we can change it to redo or anything you like. Whenever you feel like you made a mess and you want to start from the beginning, you can click on this settings and choose reset to default settings. This will reset the customization to the default settings how it was. So now let me show you a small demo. Let me select this horizontal scroll and customize this for zoom in and out. So now whenever I do the scroll, you can see that the image is zooming in and out. Similarly, when I'm clicking on this middle scroll wheel button, we will have our actions ring like this as we customized. So if you want to learn how to customize this action ring, please let me know in the comment section. And this is how we can easily customize those buttons. If you find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Techgoku for more videos like this. Thank you all.